Hello everyone. Hey, what do you think of my new tree of life? Those of you that follow my work will know that I've made lots of these. I've made them with an egg in a nest. I've made them with the chick hatching from the egg. I've made the earth, the egg, and smashed it up and put it back together again to show the fragility of the earth. I made a pink one with all pink birds. I even made a family one where all of the birds represented members of the family. But this one is the client's favourite bird, the hoopoe. Now, I've seen hoopoes in India and in Wales, funnily, but the clients see them when they go to their villa in Italy. So maybe they're not as rare as we think. Beautiful bird. It's got a crest that it puts up, a bit like a cockatoo. Anyway, as usual, I've written a verse which goes like this. It's the Hoopoe Tree of Life. I hope that you won't poo-poo when you hear about this hoopoe and how he joined his wife to inhabit this tree of life. Once they'd settled in, the good life did begin. So they opened up the pens and invited all their friends.